In this video, you'll learn how to use Framer.com in just a few minutes so you can start building beautiful, professional websites without writing a single line of code. First, go to Framer.com and sign up for a free account. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or email once you're in. Framer will take you straight to your dashboard where all your projects are organized. Next, click New Project to create your first website. You can start from a blank canvas for full creative freedom, or choose one of Framer's stunning templates for a fast, professional-looking head start. Now, explore the visual editor. On the left, you'll find your pages and layers. In the middle is your canvas, and on the right is the Properties panel where you can customize every element with simple drag and drop controls. After that, start building your site. Add text, images, buttons, and entire sections. Then customize colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also add smooth animations, hover effects, and scroll interactions with just a few clicks. Once your design is ready, make it responsive for mobile and tablet using Framer's built-in breakpoints. Then hit Publish to take your website live instantly with free hosting, SSL, and global speed included. And that's it. You now know how to use Framer.com to design, build, and launch beautiful websites with confidence.